Yo, what is going on, y'all? Your boy is back, man, with another video, y'all. And this one, to me, is a really big deal, man, because I've had this vehicle for quite some time, y'all. And I know some of y'all that watch the videos remember, but when we got slapped by Hurricane Helene, I had this one particular customer's car or a truck that was taken apart. The fender was off of it, could not even put the battery back in the thing to even move it or any of that. And lo and behold, the truck was hit by a tree. So I had to do a ton of free body work to this thing to get it where it's at today. And I want to share it with y'all, man. I mean, I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna run through really quick where the truck was at when I received it originally, where it was at after the hurricane, and where we at right now, y'all. So let's get right into it, man.
One eternity later.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, man. I'm back in the booth, and what? About to paint a project that I have been working on what seems like forever, like literally forever, y'all. So it's been a lot of body work, man. Let me just go ahead and just get right on into it, y'all. Let's get right into it, man. Let's get right into it. So to be honest with you, this fender right here is the only fender that was actually replaced. That fender that was the original fender was like really beat up, and it just wasn't really any use in trying to save it. So the customer actually put a new fender here. So we deleted all the trim, deleted all the little smoker guard deals he had over the window. So big area of repair here. This entire thing was rebuilt, y'all. I mean, from literally from this spot in the door all the way to about right here. So this entire thing was rebuilt. I mean, you can kind of get a gist of how much it was repaired right there. But other than that, I think it came out really dialed in compared to what it was. So that took forever. Rebuilding this bed, I mean, if y'all know, man, these beds and stuff are like really super thin, so it's really hard to just get it like dialed in. I mean, it takes work. Like, it takes work and work to get this dialed in this way. So got that dialed in. Oh, let's see. This back here was completely rebuilt. I did not fix that hole down there because that's something that we did not discuss. And actually, I'm just kind of running out of time on this thing, y'all. The bed had a really big crease right here. So as you can see, there's no more crease in there. That is fixed. Removed all the letters, all of the Silverado and all of that. Of course. So coming around to this side, that was rebuilt down there. This entire, like literally almost this entire thing right here was rebuilt as well. That was fixed. All of the trim on this side as well. There was a mark right there, that was fixed. And then moving up here to the front fender, this entire, literally almost this entire fender was rebuilt, especially up here because this is where the tree hit it. And so yeah, so that's fixed. Had to fix all of this as well. All of that was crashed. The roof was crashed because the tree hit the roof as well. Got that baby dialed in too. I'm probably missing a lot of stuff, man, because I've just done so much work on this truck. I mean, it's been a lot of work, guys. So anyhow, I got a couple things I need to wrap up. Couple bare metal spots I need to wrap up. I'm gonna jump on that right now, get the truck all cleaned up, man. The next time y'all see me, I'm be laying some paint, baby. You feel me? Let's go. Man, check this baby out, y'all. Check this baby out, y'all. Woo, woo. What you mean? Man, from where you came from? I mean, this thing was salvage, bro. This thing was salvage, bro. It was salvage material when I received it, bro. Like, check him out. Shit, look at that paint. Man. Yeah. He came out, y'all. I mean, literally. This thing is dialed. Customer bought some new headlights for this baby. Some new tail lights. Put a new bumper on this baby. This thing is nice, y'all. It came out really, really nice. I am so excited, man. Well, I'll tell you what, with God, anything is possible. I'm telling y'all, with God, anything is possible, man. I did not replace that hood. I did not replace this hood, y'all. I did not replace that hood. I did not replace this fender, y'all. I ain't replaced that fender. I did not replace it. That's crazy. That side, this back side of the bed was hit back here. Down there. Had a lot of body work that was done right in here. The tailgate was cooked. Body work that was done in here. And as y'all know, this entire side was rebuilt. I mean, this entire side was rebuilt. It's nuts. It's nuts, man. With God and time, anything is possible, y'all. Brought this baby back from the salvage yard. What y'all mean? What you think? Y'all let me know, man. Hit me in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit me in the comments. Let me know, bro. Did I save this baby? Or what? I mean, what I got going on right here? You feel me? Let me know. Y'all let me know what I got going on. But this is where we at, man. This is where we at. Sheesh. I'm gonna cut it off here, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one, man. Till the next time.